Hi, this is Pat Walker at Mission Winners.
Do you work full time? Or can you sit in front of your monitor all day? These are things that need to be taken into consideration. If you can't watch the stock all day, it can be a riskier situation. So how can we control that risk? I mean, it's going to hit a nerve with a lot of people. They go, I get this email all the time. Hey, I work. I can't sit there and watch it. What do I do? What do I do? That's the real world, folks. It's not hypothetical hocus pocus. What are we going to do? So here's what you do. I have a solution for you. First off, don't look at 5 and 10 minute charts. Don't day trade. Don't scalp. You can't do that while you're working, so leave it alone. You leave that alone. Secondly, and this is the most important part, focus on leading groups, top 20 leading groups, top 30 leading groups. Focus on the best stocks in those groups, fundamentally and technically. They got everything going for them. You want to stack the deck in your favor. Why? Because you ain't going to be able to watch it all day, okay? So why not look for the absolute best of the best? Look for those. Then combine that foundation with a second foundation. Clean and simple chart pattern entries. Why? Consider this. There are other people around the world looking at charts. If it's a difficult chart pattern to see, the odds are they won't buy it. So focus on clean and simple chart patterns. And you don't need a million of them. And then I'll also say this, and I don't mean to commit heresy, but I'm going to share this with you. If you wait for the cup and handle pattern only, you're going to frickin' starve to death. You've got to find a couple of other simple, conceptually correct patterns to make money. And it works. Like Shutterstock right here. Just a clean shelf going across here, and it lifts off. This is today. This is current. If you can focus on those, you will do much better. Simple chart patterns does it. And again, just flat bases. Couple week, multi-week flat bases or longer. Like here. Target right there. Going across these tops. Nothing fancy. Here. There you go. Lifts off. Marching up. Not super exciting right now, but it's a start. It's a start. Here's one for you. Okta. Look at the base. Gosh, I guess if it goes through that white line, it'd probably be good to buy, wouldn't it? And the answer is yeah. It was a Pasquila stock. This is from 2000. Look at this, folks. This was from a long time ago. The patterns repeat. Do you know why patterns repeat? Patterns are a reflection of human emotion, and human emotions don't change. That's the beauty of this. Here we go. Here's another one for you. I'm just grabbing these random. Wicks, going across these tops. Clean line, nothing fancy, no Fibonacci crud and all that stuff. No stochastics oversold or nah. Just go simple and focus on price and volume characteristics, and you will do better. I'm going to do one more here. Square, right here. Entry, right there. And just kind of marches up. That's beautiful, folks. That's what you're looking for. So, what's this moral of this story? You're like, Patrick, I work full time. What do I do? This is for you. Key on longer, simpler bases. Does not need to be multi-month. Several week base, longer. Look for a volume surge when it pushes through that clean and simple pivot. Why do you want volume? Oh, by the way, let me take that a step further. Volume surge on the daily, the hourly, or 30-minute. Look for a volume pickup. And if you see that, it shows you, it tells you other people see what you see and they are acting on it. If you can do that and turn off the noise, you'll do really well. I'll show you one more here. Neo. The Q list entry right there. Look at that longer base. Just lifted and it takes off. Neo right there, longer base, and it takes off. I mean, it's simple. It ain't fancy. volume surges. People talk with their mouths and vote with their pocketbooks. They voted. Right here, they voted. Right there. Look at that. So to recap, for those that work away and can't watch them, have a nice, concise list of stocks with longer bases. You know the characteristics technically. You know the characteristics fundamentally. Focus on those. Don't day trade. Don't scalp. Look for simple, longer base entries with a corresponding volume surge when it pushes through. You can do it two ways too. In this respect, another way is find the best of the best and put in a buy stop. Assuming the market's acting okay. Put in a buy stop the night before. Have it sent to your cell phone. When it gets triggered, you'll get the trigger real time. You bought NEO at a certain price. Wherever you are, just pull up the chart quickly on your cell phone. Take a look at it and see if it makes sense. And then what do you do next? Just put in a sell stop, maybe at the lows of the day. Put in a sell stop to protect yourself. And then let it work. Look at it maybe once at lunchtime and act accordingly. Maybe raise the stop a little bit. That's all. Note this, trends pay more than all the in and out stuff with much less stress. This is a viable solution for those that can't monitor it all during the day. And it works. The big moral, the foundation, focus on clean and simple longer basis. Do that, leading stocks and leading groups, and you will do really well. I can't stress. Don't get overwhelmed and inundated with all the news that's out there. Just monitor price combined with volume. And volume shows that they're voting. Anyway, I hope this helps you. That's my goal. Speed up the learning curve, finding ways to adapt to situations for success. That's what we're after. With low stress. Success with low stress. And the last point I'll make is this. Anytime you buy something, I encourage you, put in a sell stop. You don't want to be at your desk and something bad happens and you get hurt really bad. Always control risk. Always. That way you know what you do. You make money and you can sleep at night.
Thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit like. Maybe hit that subscribe button. We come up with new content nearly every day. Also, check out the videos on the right. YouTube recommends the one on the top, and the bottom one is something we thought you might enjoy. See you next time.